Well, you guys, we're getting to do something that I never thought I would be able to do. We are getting to stay a night at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, the Jambo house. And this is the view from our room, Savanna-View. Look at that. There's animals out there. I haven't seen any yet because it is the hottest point of the day. They're all probably hiding in the shade. But do not fret, my friends. We will be seeing plenty of animals while we stay here at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. Hi everybody, and welcome to the world of Micah. Today we're going to be hanging out here at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. I'm going to give you guys a full tour of the DVC room with Savanna-View. A great friend of mine and Abby's called us up and said, hey, you guys have an anniversary coming up. I want to give you guys something special as a gift. And he gifted us with a night stay here at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge in the DVC room with the Savanna-View, and I'm blown away. And I'm excited that I get to bring you guys along with us. So let's take a closer look. Let's take a closer look. Just a first glance from our porch here. Look at the artwork on the side of the building here. Definitely feels like we're in Africa or something, right? Like, definitely feels like you're on a safari. And this is the porch area right here. Chair here, little coffee table, another chair. And I like on the chairs how it has a zebra head. But this is the view from our room right here. How crazy is this? It's so quiet out here. Now, I did hear some birds splashing in that little pond area right over there. And over here is where you check in. I'll be showing you guys that later on this evening. But if you're not staying in the Savannah room, you can walk out here and get some views from this area. But dude, all night tonight and tomorrow morning I get to look out here and just take it easy. All right, let's see what the room looks like. Wanted to point this out on the window here on the safety glass to go onto the porch. It has a little sticker that says, please do not throw food or trash into the Savannah. Only at Disney will you see that. That's pretty awesome. I'm guessing they're wanting you guys to not throw your trash because there are animals out here. But this is our room. This is kind of the living room quarters here. Little table, and this couch does pull out into a bed. But look at the details on everything. It's all rustic and very just safari. Like, I just feel like I'm in a safari. Check out the cabinet here. The chest of drawers has all kinds of neat little drawings in it. And the TV is here. And the one thing I do like about this room is, check that out. They've updated it with some USB ports. So you don't have to normally plug in your devices. You can just use the USB port. So let's see what's in this cabinet here. It's where you can hang your clothes, and the safe. And then right here, little seat, some more storage. There's a lot of storage in this room. And this is the bed right here. Look at this thing. How cool is that? Man, should I do it? Should I test the bed? Yeah, I might as well. Oh, it's a very loud but very comfortable bed. I'm sure our neighbors just got very upset with me for doing that, but hey, I have to do it. Another thing I do like about this room is it does have a ceiling fan. Most hotels do not have ceiling fan, but here at the DVC, they like to keep you cool. And next to the bed here, I was enjoying looking at this map of Africa. Look at that. And the kitchen area is pretty insane. I noticed first off the bat, look at that. There's an elephant here, and then right behind the paper towels there's a zebra drawn into the cement here. We have a microwave, we have a toaster, ice bucket, coffee maker. They even give you, oh my gosh, what is this? Hand dish soap in a little liquid form. That's amazing. Nice sink here, refrigerator, more cabinet space, and a bonus closet. There's so much space in these rooms. So if you're traveling with a big family, don't worry, everybody's stuff can be put away. And right here is the bathroom. 2 sinks in this bathroom. I'm loving this. This is awesome. So much space, so much room. This is the bathroom. I need to pull over the curtain here. I want to see the design. Look at that design on here. Like, this is so cool. Definitely feel like I'm in a different country or something. Like, I don't know. Wow. These are the Disney soaps. Now, they do keep them in these little cartridges now. You can't take the soaps home like you used to. But that's okay, because I plan on using every bit of that soap while I'm here. Love Disney soaps. They always smell really good. All right, I think the next plan is to go swim and then possibly get some food. And then we're gonna be back here tonight because I wanna take a look at something they have to offer with night vision. So hopefully we can do that. Doing some wildlife spotting with the guide here, and look, straight ahead, right through the bushes there. Do you see him? There you can see his face right there. Can you see that guy? I wonder what kind of animal he is. Oh, there's a zebra in the distance too. I can see a zebra walking. You guys see the zebra? He's somewhere on here. Not 100% sure which one he is. Trying to, kind of leaning towards the water buck or the addax. Not 100% sure, but oh, there's little bunnies. You guys see the bunnies? They want to be included in the wildlife too. Disney bunnies, man. Seems as if a storm is rolling in. Heard some thunder earlier. Man, I bet it'd be awesome to watch a storm happen from up here. I can't believe that guy's just hanging out right there though. Isn't that cool? If you look right through there, I guess they're eating right now. Eating off that tree. Well, watching these guys eat kind of got us hungry, so we're gonna go grab some food at the quick service tonight because we have Boma reservations for breakfast tomorrow. So we want to kind of try the quick service. I don't know. I'm always a big fan of quick service. And I've never had the quick service here at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, so this will be fun to try it. So let's go get some food. We're gonna grab food here at the Mara, I think is how you say it, M-A-R-A. Ooh, there's Simba's Cub House. That sounds cool. So this is what they have to offer: a bacon cheeseburger, they have a chicken salad, chicken nuggets, a flatbread, tomato flatbread, barbecue pork sandwich, turkey and avocado club sandwich, ooh, falafel bites. And then there's a backstory on the Mara. Or the Mara, the Masai Mara National Reserve. That's kind of neat. Oh yeah, I love a good quick service stop. I don't know why, I've always just totally been into quick service at the Disney resorts. Don't get me wrong, I do love the sit-down restaurants and everything, but look at this. Look at those drinks. With Simba and Mickey on them. And it's slushies and all kinds of desserts. Look at these. Oh yeah, we're definitely getting a dessert. Zebra cupcakes. They have the zebra domes. You can actually get the zebra domes here. That's so cool. African sunshine cupcake. A mini cupcake. And look at this dark chocolate cake or white chocolate cake. Wow, look at that one with Simba on it. These are so neat. Little pastries. Now I believe this one is like a butterscotch, right? Butterscotch and vanilla cream. Yeah, with cashew cookie. And this is what I went with. The chicken bacon sandwich. Got bacon, 2 chicken breasts, and a really cool bread. I don't know what kind of roll or bread this is. It has cheese on it. French fries, and Abby went with the same thing.
We didn't even know we were ordering the exact same thing, but we did.
We did. That's great. And dessert. Let's check out these desserts. We got the zebra dome. Right here, I didn't know you get those domes here, but we got those are $4.29, and it comes in a pack of 4. And then this, they call it the flamingo cake. It's like a brownie cake, and that was $4.79. And the meal right here was $11.99. And the lady gave me a free drink, which was great. She gave me a free fountain drink, which was super nice of her. So I'm excited to try this and try those domes. It's been a long time since I've had some zebra domes. So we decided to bring the desserts back to the room and enjoy them out here with the scenery. As you can see, it's starting to rain. Very peaceful out here. We're gonna sit out here, enjoy the rain, and enjoy the desserts. He knew we were about to eat the zebra domes, didn't you? Don't lie. You knew we were about to eat these. That's why you wanted to come over here and say hello. Can you hear me talking to you? Oh, look, your little friend behind you coming up.
They're so cute. It's weird how their stripes are totally different.
Yeah, right. Trying zebra domes with live zebras. All right. Yeah, just go for it.
Yeah. Oh.
I don't remember.
I don't remember what these taste like.
Or what they are.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
They're really good.
Yeah. All right, I guess I'll eat this. That's whoop, whoop, whoop. There we go. Zebra dome. Oh yeah. Now I remember. It is good. It's like a buttercream. Do these have alcohol in them?
I don't think so.
One of them has alcohol. Which ones at Boma have the alcohol inside them? There's a dessert I know that has alcohol in it. Try this. I thought it was like a brownie, but it's like a cake, and smelling it kind of smells like a spiced cake. It's interesting. It's like chocolate and like spice cake.
Is there no spice cake?
I'm not really into it because I thought it was a brownie. I thought it was like a big brownie. Kind of disappointed. I don't really like spice cake. Oh well. Look at this bridge you can cross over here in the lobby. But more importantly, there's more animals outside, so we're gonna go outside and check them out. Aha! It was the roan antelope. That's who it was. But look at that, you guys. There's a giraffe. Oh my gosh. And there's like all kinds of like little deer looking guys over to the right. Oh wow, look over here to the left. Wow, this is pretty awesome. And as you can see, it's about to come a big storm, but that giraffe is not worried about that storm. He's worried about getting that food. Look at that. I love that. They just placed the food up there for him. Just like it would be in a normal tree. Look at the back of this resort. My goodness, look at that. It's all glass. That's the lobby right here. And our room is legit right over there. Right over there. Look at this guy just moseying around, eating a little bit. All right, the lighting's getting pretty bad. I think we're gonna head back to the room. And this is the inside of the lobby. Look at this. There's that bridge I was showing you guys. This lobby almost reminds me of the Wilderness Lodge, just the way it's designed with the rooms and everything. But it's very pretty. Now they do have an area over here where you can sit and look out into the savannah at all the different animals. And there's that giraffe still here. And right over here are some zebra doing some nighttime eating. And also it's really pretty out here. Not too many lights shining down on the savannah area. so it's natural for these guys. But there's just enough light from the resort to keep it lit for us. But if you're hearing that noise in the background, it's the fan over here to keep you nice and cool. That's a fan blowing pretty hard, as you can see it moving this umbrella. So during the day when you come out here, it will keep you cool. Currently doing night vision goggles. Look at me. Those are the night vision goggles. And there's wildebeest over here. Let's see if I can use the camera. Oh yeah, you see guys? That's what it looks like through there, but just a little clearer. But there's wildebeest over there, and we're actually getting to see those wildebeest. I'll be honest, using the night vision goggles kind of made me feel like I was in Jurassic Park when Timmy's using the night vision goggles. Headlight glasses. Just like Pee Wee Herman. Kitty. Wow. Dude, that was so cool. I highly recommend going and using the headlight glasses, the night vision goggles, because you would not be able to tell that straight ahead there are those wildebeest right there. You can barely see them, but using those goggles I could see them very clearly. And looking out on the horizon over here, there's several wildebeest hanging out over in that area right now, but nobody would be able to tell. That was super fun, and it was free. Well, it's morning time, and as you can see, the savannah is still here, still looking just as amazing as it did yesterday. Haven't seen quite as many animals yet. Saw a few giraffe roaming around this morning, but nothing too crazy. But I think we're gonna go get some breakfast, and we have reservations at Boma, so it's kind of a all you can eat, all you care to eat. So goodbye, Savannah room. I hope we can do this again very soon. All right, it's time for some breakfast. As you can see, the breakfast is $29 and dinner is $49, but we're gonna get some breakfast food. It's gonna be pretty good, hopefully. And this is breakfast. Got all kinds of stuff, savory and sweet. Of course, the jungle juice, and then I got this called a no-hito. There's no alcohol in it, but it's mint and lemonade, and it kind of tastes like the mint julep at Disneyland. Abby's finishing up some plantains. It's good.
It's very good.
Yeah, I'm enjoying this. My favorite is the jungle juice here, but that does remind me of the mint julep at Disneyland. But all kinds of stuff for breakfast. Some bacon, croissant with a little hazelnut, egg, donuts. It's gonna be good. And they serve breakfast from 7:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. I highly, highly, highly recommend getting a reservation because this place gets pretty packed very quickly. Well, you guys, it's that time. It's time to pack everything up and head home. And I think it's time to say goodbye. But if you enjoyed our staycation here at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button because it's free and it'll keep you updated on my latest video. Also, if you would like to support my channel, please visit my Patreon page at patreon.com/worldofmicah, where donating $1 a month can help fund episodes just like this. I had a blast staying overnight at a DVC resort in a DVC room, looking over at the Savanna-View. It was absolutely incredible. Eating Boma for breakfast was great, swimming was great, and spending some time with this lady was absolutely incredible. Did you have fun?
Yeah, we're super grateful for the experience, but it was amazing. It was everything I thought it would be. It's so cool just to be able to go in the morning and sit and drink a cup of coffee and watch the animals.
Yeah, that was really cool. I like the night vision goggles.
Yeah, that was cool.
It was
too.
awesome. Yeah, lots to see and do here at this resort. If you're thinking about just not having a park day and having just a stay day at the resort, there's lots to see and do.
Yep.
But see you on the next episode of World of Micah, everybody. Till then, stay weird. Goodbye.